What if I told you that while you're spending 20 hours writing a single YouTube script that gets 500 views, there's a secret AI system that's already written the scripts for videos getting millions of views? And the crazy part? Most creators have no idea this exists. I'm about to expose the AI tool that grew my channel to 30,000 subscribers in just 120 days, became responsible for my $100 plus daily revenue. And here's the kicker. It can write an 8-minute video script in under 60 seconds with almost perfect timing accuracy. But first, let me ask you something that might sting a little. Are you one of the 91% of YouTube creators whose videos never even reach 1,000 views? Because if you are, I know exactly what's happening. Your scripts are failing to hook viewers in those crucial first 15 seconds, causing them to click away faster than you can say subscribe. Look at this. This is what most creators' audience retention looks like, a 22% average view duration. But this is what happens when you use the right scripting system. 65% retention. YouTube sees this difference and immediately stops recommending the first video while pushing the second one to millions of people. Here's the brutal truth. You're probably not good at writing scripts. You might have amazing ideas and valuable knowledge, but translating that into a script that keeps viewers watching? That's an entirely different skill that requires deep understanding of psychology, pacing, and viewer behavior. And even if you were capable, it takes 15 to 20 hours to transform a decent script into something truly exceptional. Most creators simply don't have that time, which creates a serious problem because YouTube's algorithm strongly favors channels that publish regularly. But what if I told you there's a solution that changes everything? Keep watching, because I'm about to show you the exact AI system that's revolutionizing how top creators write their scripts. This solution isn't for everyone, but pay close attention if you're a content creator putting in hours of work only to see your videos die with a few hundred views, or if you know your content is valuable, but viewers are dropping off in the first 30 seconds. Meet Poppy AI. But not the way most people use it. I've developed what I call the AlgoScript method inside Poppy AI that puts generic tools like ChatGPT to complete shame. This system grew my new channel to over 30,000 subscribers in the first 120 days. I made all these scripts in less than 60 minutes about topics I sometimes knew nothing about. Yet they get recommended by YouTube constantly. Here's how it works. Inside Poppy AI, you create what's called a board. In this board, you can upload any piece of information, documents, PDFs, voice notes, images, and most importantly, YouTube videos. You don't need to download anything. Just paste the URL and the AI understands it all. Then you add an AI chat and link all your information groups to this chat. The AI can now understand everything you've linked and use it as reference for whatever you tell it to do. And here's where it gets really interesting. Stick with me because I'm about to show you the exact template that makes this work. My AlgoScript system uses 3 critical groups. Group 1, the ultimate script guide. I've spent weeks developing a 21-page step-by-step document that teaches the AI how to write the perfect YouTube script. This includes my flatline hook formula that made my retention graphs go from disaster to this. My tension ladder technique that boosted my average view duration from 2 minutes 42 seconds to 5 minutes 38 seconds, and the storytelling framework I adopted from Netflix film directors. Group 2, topic-specific research. For each video, you create a topic group and add 3 to 5 of the best videos or articles about your subject. This gives the AI all the factual information it needs. Unlike other AI tools, Poppy AI can transcribe and understand any content directly from a URL link. Group 3, your personal style. You add your last 6 to 9 videos to a My Style group. The AI analyzes these to understand your unique speaking style, vocabulary choices, and personality, then applies that to any new script. Watch this. Create a YouTube script, applying the advice from the Ultimate Script Guide for my video topic, referencing the research group, and writing in my style. In less than 60 seconds, it generates a complete, strategically crafted script. But here's what blew my mind, and this is why you need to keep watching until the end. Let me show you something incredible. I'm going to ask Poppy AI to create an 8-minute script about How to start a YouTube channel in 2025. Create an 8-minute YouTube script about starting a YouTube channel in 2025 using my style and the ultimate script guide. Look at this. It generated a complete script, and when I analyze the word count and speaking pace, this comes out to 7 minutes and 52 seconds. That's 8 seconds off from an 8-minute target. But it's not just about timing. Look at the structure. Pattern interrupt hook that grabs attention immediately. Emotional transportation techniques in each section. Bridge statements that counter drop-off moments. Strategic transitions that maintain engagement. A conclusion that drives viewers to the next video.
When I asked the AI to analyze its own script against the ultimate guide, it says, "This script is exceptionally well optimized and would likely perform in the top 10% of YouTube videos for audience retention."
And this is just scratching the surface of what's possible. But there's something even more powerful I need to show you. I've also created what I call a content machine inside Poppy AI that allows me to script 50 videos in just 2 hours. This system has 3 groups. My content for training the AI on my speaking style, special training with 100 viral hooks and psychological frameworks, and inspiration, where I add proven viral content. The beauty of Poppy AI is, you can use voice recordings instead of typing. I can literally speak my ideas, and the AI understands exactly what I want. If you prefer writing your own scripts, you can paste them into Poppy AI and ask it to analyze against the ultimate guide. It instantly identifies improvements, missing psychological triggers, and suggests better hooks. You can generate multiple versions of the same script, test different hooks, and even adapt long-form content into short-form scripts automatically. But here's what separates successful creators from struggling ones in 2025. We're entering the AI revolution, and creators using the right AI tools will completely outperform those who don't. Here's why. Traditional script writing, 15 to 20 hours per script, inconsistent quality, limited psychological understanding, slow upload schedule. Professional scriptwriters, $200 to $1,000 per script, still time-consuming, may not capture your voice. Generic AI tools. Robotic content, no YouTube-specific optimization, requires extensive editing. Poppy AI with AlgoScript method. Scripts in minutes, proven psychological triggers, maintains your unique voice, optimized for YouTube algorithm, enables consistent uploading. This isn't just about saving time, it's about results. My channel hit $100 plus daily revenue using scripts created with this system. I became a top affiliate for products I promote, all because the scripts kept viewers watching. And here's the best part. I'm going to give you everything you need to start using this system today. I've put together a complete template board inside Poppy AI that includes my entire 21-page ultimate scripting guide, the AlgoScript framework, 100 viral hooks, psychological triggers, and the exact system I use daily. This template isn't something I'm selling as a separate product. It's a resource I've created specifically to help you implement what you've learned today. Here's how to get it. Click the link in the description to sign up for Poppy AI. Once you're in, I'll send the AlgoScript template board straight to your email, ready to use. Use code ROBIN to get $25 off your Poppy AI subscription. But before you go, there's one more thing that could make or break your success with this system. You have 3 options right now. Option 1. Continue writing scripts manually, spending 15 to 20 hours per script, watching your videos get buried by the algorithm while uploading only 1 to 2 videos per month. Option 2. Use generic AI tools like ChatGPT, ending up with robotic content that performs no better than manual writing while still requiring hours of editing. Option 3. Use Poppy AI with my AlgoScript method. The same system that grew my channel to 30,000 subscribers in 120 days and generates $100 plus daily revenue. The choice is clear. You can either continue struggling with the old methods, or you can use a proven system that creates scripts the YouTube algorithm loves to recommend. But here's the thing. Every day you wait is another day your competitors might discover this system. Every day you spend 20 hours on a script that gets 500 views is a day you could have created 10 scripts that get 50,000 views each. Your next viral video is just one perfect script away. Click the link in the description right now, get Poppy AI with code ROBIN for $25 off, and I'll send you the complete AlgoScript template that's responsible for millions of views and thousands of dollars in revenue. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible with AI scripting, smash that subscribe button, because I'm constantly testing new AI tools and systems that can transform your content creation process. And if you want to see exactly how I turn these AI-generated scripts into viral videos, including my editing process and thumbnail strategies, check out this video right here where I break down my entire viral video creation system. Remember, in the AI revolution, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. The creators who adapt will thrive. The ones who don't will be left behind. Don't be left behind. Your audience is waiting for your next viral video. Make it count.